9 to -5 goodbye. 3 online hustles you can launch today seriously. Tired of feeling like a hamster on a wheel? Dreaming of escaping the fluorescent lights and soul-sucking meetings? Well, fellow freedom fighters, the revolution is here. No, you don't need a spaceship, unless that's your hustle, no judgment. We're talking about ditching the 9-to-5 and building your own empire online. Forget those get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking real, sustainable online businesses you can launch today, with real work and real results. No trading dogecoin in your underwear. These are your ticket to a flexible, fulfilling life on your own terms. Hustle number 1. Content creation kingpin. Got a passion for storytelling, writing, or making kick-ass videos? Turn it into a goldmine. There's a hungry audience out there craving high-quality content. And platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and your own blog are your gateway to their wallets. Niche down. Don't be a master of none, be a ninja of one. Find your unique voice and target a specific audience, like fitness enthusiasts, coding students, or dog lovers. Consistent quality is key. Invest in decent equipment and editing skills. Polish your content and schedule regular uploads to keep your audience hooked. Community matters. Interact with your viewers. Respond to comments and build genuine relationships. Engagement is your currency. Platforms to consider: YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok. Your own website: WordPress, Wix, Squarespace. Hustle number 2. Freelancing Freedom Fighter. Got skills you can trade, sell them. Whether it's writing like Hemingway, designing graphics like Picasso, or coding like Neo, there's a thriving marketplace for your expertise. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients who need your magic touch. Sharpen your tools, stay ahead of the curve, and keep your skills relevant. Take online courses, attend workshops, and network with other freelancers. Build a killer portfolio, showcase your best work, and highlight your successes to attract high-paying clients. Your portfolio is your resume on steroids. Network like a pro. Connect with potential clients on social media. Attend industry events and collaborate with other freelancers. Let the world know you're open for business. Platforms to consider: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, Guru, Toptal. Hustle number 3. E-commerce Empress. Think you have an eye for trends or a knack for finding hidden gems? Build your own online shopping empire. Sell anything from handmade jewelry to curated vintage finds. The possibilities are endless. Find your niche. Don't try to be Amazon. Choose a market with low competition and high demand. Research your target audience and their needs. Source smart. Find reliable suppliers and negotiate good deals. Quality matters, but so does your profit margin. Remember, you're not working for peanuts. Master the marketing game. Utilize social media, search engine optimization (SEO), and paid advertising to drive traffic and sales to your store. Every customer deserves a red carpet welcome. Platforms to consider: Shopify, Etsy, Amazon FBA, BigCommerce, WooCommerce. Remember, building a successful online hustle takes dedication, consistency, and a healthy dose of adaptation. Stay informed about industry trends. Learn from your mistakes and keep hustling. The freedom and rewards are worth it. Alright, team. That's it for the 3 online hustles you can launch today. Remember, the only limit is your imagination, and the internet is your playground. So grab your laptop, channel your inner boss, and get out there and make that dream a reality. Smash that like button if you're ready to ditch the 9 to -5. Subscribe for more hustle hacks and motivation to fuel your fire. Share this video with someone who needs a push in the right direction.